Hello, in today's video I'm gonna give you a short review and couple of close-ups of my new rotary tool by a company called HARDELL. Hello again, today quick video on very good handy tool from company called HARDELL. So I just got this rotary tool a couple of days ago. I've used it for a couple of days. I want to give you a short review. So it's a very good and handy, it's a battery operated rechargeable rotary tool. It comes in a nice handy case where you have everything that you need to work around the house. It comes with the charging cable, and then we got a nice carrying case for all your tools. So let me give you a couple of close-ups. So those are all the tools that you get in a small carrying case, starting with small sanding discs. We also get 3 different size heads to attach different types of attachments. We have an attachment for attaching those rotary tools. We have a sanding discs which you can attach onto this tool. We get 2 polishing heads. We have grinding wheels that are different shape. Here we have a couple of diamond head attachments and also a couple of drill bits. And we get 2 stainless steel saw blades. So rotary tool is charged by using this USB-C port on the bottom, and this is how it looks from the top. When we turn it on, which is right here, we have 5 different speeds which we can adjust by using plus and minus signs. So you can go really super slow, or you can go really fast. I think the highest RPM is 18,000 RPMs and slowest only 5,000. And then once you turn it on, you also get a very nice light. So I want to also show you that the tool comes with 3 different heads that will allow you to fit the different size of attachments. So the tool also features this lock which you push in order for you to lock and secure any attachment. So you just push it right here and then you can lock it. So here I have a piece of wood. Let's see what kind of damage we can do with this tiny blade. So it is. Here I have a little plastic part that I was working on, so now I can go and polish that with the sanding disc. So this sanding disc works really great because I can get smooth area, and this is flexible, so which works really great. I can shape whatever I want on plastic, and this works really good. So with this carving tool, sky's the limit. This is the epoxy that I was using, so it easily grinds everything. You can work on plastic, on metal. You can do your engraving, whatever you wish. You can do it with this tool. It's nice and portable. I really love it, and that's gonna be a good addition to my workshop. And all those small details that I needed to finish sometimes and I couldn't do it, now I have perfect tool for that. Whoa, that's awesome. So in summary, HARDELL battery operated rotary tool comes with 61 different pieces of attachments, so you can use it anywhere you want for small or big projects. It's nice and portable. You also have this little light right here, so it works for me. I really love it, and that's gonna be a nice addition to my workshop. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your question. Give me a thumbs up. If you like my video, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.